guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to sign up for Fandango Get Movie Tickets app on a device. Now if you have to sign up for Fandango Get Movie Tickets app on device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you want to be able to install it. So let's get started. And also make sure that you have installed the Fandango app. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. After that, open the Fandango app on a device. So here you'll see the option of use current location or enter location. So click on the option of use current location. Click on the option of allow while using the app. So if you want to allow notification, you may click on the option of allow, but you may also click on the option of maybe later. So as you can see, this is the home page of Fandango movie ticket app. So click on the option of profile icon at the very top left, and here you'll see the option of join for free or sign in. So click on the option of join for free, and here you just need to enter your full name, email address and password. So you just need to create a strong password for your account, and after doing all of it, you may click on the option of join now for free, and after doing all of it, you'll be able to create an account on the Fandango app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.